Plus, make sure your homework of exercise 3 is on my desk at 9 a.m. tomorrow morning.
Mr. Kachibunda,
Yeah.
when you turn the wheel on your bike, the light shines.
Yes.
How?
Dynamo.
How does the dynamo work?
There is a man on the inside who rubs his hands together. It's magnets.
Where can I find the dynamo?
Try the trading center. I'm not sure if they have one there. You might hear from below there.
Well, what would I need to make one?
I'm not sure exactly. Magnets, wiring, something to break the magnetic field. If you try the library, maybe you can find something there.
I don't have a library card.
Because your eyes haven't been. What do you know? I'm not trying to talk as a lecturer. I'm into my class.
Because you can keep a secret, so.
A secret.
Yes. There is a man who comes to my village to see my sister. Mr. Kachibunda?
Mrs. Keller. This is William Kamkwamba. It's part of my science class. He's no longer a student here, but he has been working on various experiments. And I'd like for him to continue his studies here in the library.
Is Mr. Face in your countries?
Of course. Mr. Fess's only stipulation is the boy is not to be taught assisted by you or any other teacher. It's important to note that the boy working here has not common knowledge. He himself would prefer not to be reminded of the fact.
Perhaps you should sit away from the window.
Are there any books on dynamos,
Animals.
magnets, and electricity?
Is this in your classroom?
Maybe come up with a dictionary.
All the three textbooks are on the bottom shelf on the left.